but doubtlessly, my lord, so far as OBC women are concerned, now, my lord, this is crucial. My lord, if ultimately father's income is decided to be the criteria for deciding creamy layer, then 451 women would be affected. 481, reverse is 451. 481 would be affected. If husband is treated, then 451 would be affected. My suggestion is we will keep 500 posts vacant. Let rest of them who are not concerned with this controversy and they are selected, let the appointment letters be given. And I don't think, my lord, the division bench was, my lord, perhaps right in sending the matter or rather permitting them to go before the tribunal. Let the division bench decide on merits of the matter, whether father's income or husband's income.
We are for the petitioner.
Lad, it
We,
concern,
we don't have, this is, Mr. Mehta is appearing for the respondent state.
I'm for the state, yes.
We in principle don't have an objection to this suggestion, provided that if we were to succeed here, that our seniority and everything else would retain its position.
Correct,
It
correct.
can't be that after you appoint, whoever you appoint, that we will,
We are not
Slip.
deciding on merit.
Yes, yes.
Supposing
yes,
That let the state shall
Yes.
keep 500 posts vacant.
yes.
The order of the High Court may be satisfied, send it back, LPA may be restored and may be decided on its own merit.
On merits,
That's,
and who,
Mr.
yes.
Mehta is proposing,
yes,
we have understand.
yes.
So whatever would be decided by the High Court, then you would have a liberty, whatever to raise the point.
I mean, speaking on behalf
And,
of, because,
only a minute,
Yes,
just
yes,
taking care of
yes.
your concern.
yes,
Whoever is, my lord, whoever succeeds, either those who are arguing that father's income or those who are arguing that husband's income, their seniority would be treated from the original date, my lord. They can't, my lord, lag behind merely because there was a dispute. Correct, my lord.
and my lords, as far as we are concerned, the appointment, and we are really not concerned with the outcome on merits. To them, my lords, the appointments may be.
that's what we are, we also.
That's what I'm
Last date
suggesting.
itself- Just
Yes,
on the last date itself, Mr. Solicitor General has said, for your appointments, we have issued the others, so we have no objection.
Please.
So, Mr., you don't have anything. Yes, Mr.
Let that. This is the case of the respondents before the learned single judge as well before the division bench. Lad, their writ petition itself is not maintainable before the High Court. The reason being, lad,
We
this
have to decide issue of maintainability.
no, but single judge-
No, they have decided, and for
that's been decided.
learned single
wrongly.
judge decides on merits. But the division bench says that no, it should not have been decided on
My
merits.
reputation was not maintainable because CAT was the jurisdiction.
Yeah, wait,
Some
state-
local,
administrative
state tribunal, state
tribunal.
tribunal.
No, but
That-
it's,
That was the tribunal.
it's squarely,
An alternative remedy.
No, it is not alternative.
Exactly.
as per
Bar.
the judgment.
exactly.
It's
As
a
per-
discretion.
Case 6 is.
No, Chandra Kumar's case,
Self-imposed restriction.
your lordships have held, a 7-judge bench has held that they have to first go before the tribunal.
No, no,
And
not
shall not
this.
come before the High Court.
This is an Article 14 and 21 issue, my lords, husband or father, and today you're saying effectively that women who get married
Recruit
suddenly become,
recruit
without,
Only one thing. Lord, practically, my lord, let us see. Lord, suppose my learned friend is right, that they should have gone to the tribunal. And my lord, are again, my lord, relegated to the tribunal. The tribunal would decide either way, father's income or husband's income. It's not going to end there. They would come again before the learned single judge and land up before the division.
Thereafter, DB
And
or
division bench.
We'll go to the division.
A division bench. Now, my lord, your lordships are saying the same thing. my
no,
lord.
sorry to interrupt, Mr. Mehta. They have, in fact, that has happened. Some of us went to the tribunal, we have succeeded in tribunal, there's no challenge. Some went to the tribunal after the division bench and failed. So you have that situation anyway. I think Mr. Mehta, who appears for the state, I think is making a reasonable suggestion.
They are the writ petitioners. It suits them. That's why they are making the submission.
No, but we
We
will
were not
hear
even
it on
treated
merits.
before single judge.
Alternative remedy is never a bar.
Be cool.
It's an Article 21 issue, my lords, to say that a woman, the,
Article 21
no,
is
no,
like-
this is a very serious issue. Once you get married, to say you have no agency.
Article 21 is like a allu only.
My
You don't put it
Lords,
everywhere.
lords, I'm sorry, my lords. I must tell you, if a man were to get married, would
Listen
anybody
also-
say?
just
Yes,
Listen also.
yes, my
The
lord.
people who are in custody in heinous crime, they also say Article 21.
But that's what it
After
is,
committing murder of 10, 20 people, they say Article 21 violated.
has to be decided, my lords.
No, decided.
Eventually it'll have-
What is to be decided? Nothing.
My lord, we are in need
No,
of
no.
teachers.
But
The
just one thing.
selection process is otherwise not in question.
Yes.
The only limited question is
That's all right.
that's
But before the tribunal, you failed.
No, they did not
people,
go.
not
Some,
yes,
they not,
Yes.
just a minute, let us
yes,
understand.
yes,
Some of you
Some-
failed.
yes. Not us, but some people who have gone there have failed, yes.
They
correct.
also filed writ petitions.
Yes, and it's
Those are
pending there. The pending.
yes, my lord.
No, no. My lord, these are all making statements without any record, my lord.
It's on merit.
Besides, my lord, question of law.
Which are
Yes,
pending in the High Court after tribunal.
Numbers?
After tribunal.
No.
We'll give it.
No,
No,
they
but
are-
do we have it? immediately?
Where? Therefore, we are asking.
They may not be readily available, my lord, in all respects. my lord.
We list after 14, 15, come on
Give
15,
us the
16.
details of that.
On that day, we will pass the order.
My lord, in the meanwhile, my lord, while keeping 500 vacancies, my lord, intact, vacant, my lord, permit us, my lord, undisputed cases.
That
my
we,
lord, at least
none of us have an
We
objection.
are, my lord,
Those are the parties I
we are in
represent.
need of teachers. And it is the teachers' recruitment process is not in question otherwise. It is tainted or something.
That is right.
Yes,
So,
only
my lord,
one-
why should, my lord, others suffer?
It's just-
Because of
just one-
problems of, my lord, one particular class.
Like today, what we do is,
Women OBC.
you keep 500 posts vacant,
Yes, my lord.
one thing. Second thing, you permit these persons who have already been selected and do not belong to the OBC category.
Correct, my lord.
Yes.
Like you appoint them.
Yes.
Two. And in the meantime, you file this, how many cases are
But
pending to
OB
this
they
side
are
or that?
OBC women, but OBC men have no issue with this.
Yes.
Because for them, this issue doesn't arise. So, my lord,
This will
other
be
than-
horizontal reservation.
Yeah, because if I am, my lord, a man OBC, then there is no dispute how my creamy layer is to be considered. It is only for married OBC women. So, and they, my lord, would fall within this 500.
But Mr. Mehta, the issue will be, it will not be final in the High Court. It may take some time there.
Yes,
Thereafter, it will land here.
well, that
How
is
much time it
inevitable,
takes,
my lord,
nobody knows.
but in the meanwhile, my lord.
No, that's all right. Then suppose it takes 2, 3, 4 years. The other persons, if they succeed, finally, one group will succeed,
Correct, my lord.
either of two, either husband part or
They would
Father
be
part.
accommodated in
Father
500 vacancies.
they will be accommodated
With seniority.
with seniority. yes.
From the
Right.
beginning.
Yes.
And the rest of the posts will remain vacant then.
My lord, that's not in
No.
public interest.
That's all right. Out of 500, we are saying.
Huh.
Suppose the 71 party succeeds, 429 again vacant,
Correct,
then the waiting list issue will come.
correct.
This will complicate many things.
But those who are,
And you will say waiting list life expired.
My lord, we were also
No,
selected.
my lords, we'd be happiest if your lordship decided.
We were also selected, my lord.
Just
decided
We
here,
were-
because
have been-
single judge has decided
We
the.
have been
There is a
selected.
judgment of.
Now our selection has been set aside by the learned single judge without hearing us.
only a minute. 1,377 candidates are unconnected with this issue.
That's no
They are
problem.
neither OBCs
That's no.
or they are man. So there is no question of married woman.
We say of 1,000, how many?
We need
377.
777.
1377.
1,377.
Let
We say let them, you appoint them.
Yes.
appoint it, my lord.
that's-
Yes, my lord, and
Please.
this
Then we'll
500
fix this case for hearing. Finish it.
Yes,
My lord, my submission is, my lord, we have also been
Let
selected.
us- let us understand. You are within this creamy layer issue or not?
Yes.
So please don't say.
You're right, yeah.
Then how can you be?
You
appointed?
cannot.
Numbers.
Yeah, we are saying, my lord, we are also without employment. We have been
Please, please wait.
selected.
Please wait, we are deciding it. You listen.
Kindly, my lord, that is what I request. my lord.
We are, likhe. During hearing, it is informed that 1,377
candidate remains to be appointed. And above, my lord, Mr. Sandhu's,
Well, they have filed an affidavit with these numbers. State has filed an affidavit. I don't-
Mentioning this,
Very-
to please verify.
Yes, it's there, it's there.
1,377 candidates remain.
be appointed, which are not
Remain-
affected by this controversy.
Remain to be appointed, though they are not affected by the issue involved in the present case regarding creamy layer.
Of
Married women.
married women, OBC criminal.
लिखिए, regarding married woman OBC creamy layer.
Creamy layer.
Fine. Full stop. We are of the view that those posts may be filled up by the state government.
Subject to the result, your lordship may kindly put the right or my lord.
The
No,
question
subject to-
rider here,
Yeah, of course, my lord, it's not,
please, you are taking much caution.
all right, my lord.
They are not connected with the.
All right,
Will it-
all right.
and the state government is at liberty to fill up those posts. Full stop. Pleadings be completed within 4 weeks. List after 4 weeks, कोई date fix कर दीजिए इसको NMD में लगा.
My lords may note that our seniority will not be affected by this. Whoever deserves seniority will get it whenever they are.
उसमें यहाँ और
No,
एक
no,
चीज़ और add कर दीजिए. At
Yes.
present, we are not passing any order regarding seniority or
Very well.
appointment of those persons.
Very
A
well.
date may kindly be fixed, my lord.
That's
My request is, a date may kindly be fixed, otherwise,
Fixing,
yes.
Yes,
इसमें लिख देना, parties shall complete the pleading and exchange the same.
Please.
grateful. ma'am.
So grateful.
Service complete.
Again,
Service also is not complete.
service is not.
They are all, one form or they are all before your lordships only, my
They
lord.
are all there.
All
Yes, my lord.
private respondents are already appearing. Lordships may permit me to dispense service from them, my lord. And state is otherwise here.
Everybody is, one form or they are before the court, my lord.
Because you have not given the spare copies, therefore the service.
No, my lord, so I have made an application that all the respondents are already represented in all connected matters. They will be-
Same persons are.
Same
Yes.
persons are
Same
there.
persons.
Yes, my lord.
Please treat the service to be
application
complete, my
allowed.
lord.
ठीक है, learned counsel appearing on behalf of senior counsel.
In 59.8,
ये order सर को दिखा देना एक बार. मैं नहीं रहूंगा.
lordship.
So and so submits that the unrepresented respondents, unserved respondents are represented in other cases through advocates.
Lordship.
Therefore, they may be permitted to be deleted, to which IA number so and so.
No, no,
No, they may be
You
deemed
want
to
to
have been
delete?
served.
they may be deemed to be served because they are otherwise before the,
You want to delete or deem to be served?
Deemed
Deemed
to
to
be
be
served, IA number 193500,
Deemed to serve.
lordships.
ठीक है. Therefore, they be deemed to be served, to which IA number so and so has been filed.
IA number 19.
Deemed to be served in all matters.
Considering the statement as made at bar, we accept the submission and allow the IA.
In 59.8.
Sir, for the all the
in all the matters, my lord.
I
All
can,
matters.
I can make for my matter 59.8.
But generally it is there. The
Yes.
respondents in one or the other case are represented.
Yes, my lord.
That's a batch.
Either they are petitioners or respondents.
Stop. बाकी pleadings complete करने को बोलते हैं ना. Thank you very much.
Listen, I
Late
think
please, my lords. No, my lords, before the matter starts, allow me to, I'm the petitioner.
Yes.
The reason is, my lords, your lordship asked them last time, quote unquote, we are not convinced with the affidavit of the respondent, a fresh affidavit by the Kane Commissioner himself. We filed. Now the Kane Commissioner, my lords, gives us an affidavit on 3rd of October yesterday.
My lords, I
The
hope
Kane
the
Commissioner, can I
lordships-
just finish, Mr. Venugopal? This is important to be told.